Hi, in this session of chemical bonding, we can understand the concept of hybridization. What is hybridization? The hybridization is the concept of intermixing of different orbitals of atoms. That means the intermixing of two or more orbitals of atoms combine to form a new orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape and symmetrical orientation in space. The new orbitals formed is called hybrid orbitals and the phenomenon is called as hybridization. The hybridization is the mean of the intermixing of two or more orbitals of atoms. That means two or more orbitals containing in same shell of central atom combine to form a equivalent number of identical hybrid orbitals. So this phenomenon is called as hybridization. In this hybridization, we have various types of hybridizations are there. One is sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. In sp hybridization is the intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital, one s orbital and one p orbital belonging to the same shell. That means same valency shell of central atom to form a new two sp hybrid orbitals. This phenomenon is called as sp hybridization. What do you mean by sp hybridization? The intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital belonging to the same valency shell of central atom to form a two sp hybrid orbitals. Then the phenomenon is called as sp hybridization. These two sp hybrid orbitals are arranged in linear shape. In sp hybridization, the percentage of s character is 50% and the percentage of p character is 50%. The bond angle is 180 degrees. And the remaining two py and pz orbitals are unhybridized orbitals, such as on the central atom perpendicular to hybrid orbitals. In sp hybridization shown in the figures like this. Next, we discuss with sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, the intermixing of one s orbital and two p orbitals belonging to the same valency shell to form a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. This phenomenon is called as sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, intermixing of one s orbital and one two p orbitals intermixing to form a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. These are called sp2 hybridization. In 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals in sp2 hybridization, these are arranged in trigonal planar fashion. In sp2 hybridization, the percentage of s character is 33% and the percentage of p character is 67%. These three sp2 hybrid orbitals are arranged in trigonal planar shape and the bond angle is 120 degrees. The one unhybridized orbital, that is pz orbital, is lying perpendicular to the hybridized orbitals. In sp2 hybridization is as shown in the figure. the intermixing of one s orbital and three p orbitals belonging to the same shell of central atom to form a 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. This phenomenon is called as sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are arranged at the corners of the tetrahedral. In sp3 hybridization, the percentage of s character is 25% and the percentage of p character is 75%. And the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. sp3 hybridization is shown in the figure.